Today we are going to see a new lesson, matter around us. So today we are going to see introduction, definition, and then physical nature of the matter, then characteristic of the particles of the matter. Matter. Now we are going to see about the definition for matter. Matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. Once again, matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. Mass is nothing but weight. Introduction. Matter is everywhere around us. The air we breathe, water we drink, materials we see, we use are all made up of matter. Matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. Based on the nature of the matter, matter is classified into three types: solid, liquid, and gas. Matter is found in three major states: solid, liquid, and gas. Besides solid, liquid, and gases, there are two more states: plasma and Bose-Einstein condensates. Plasma is not a common state of matter on Earth, but may be the most common state of matter in the universe. For example, stars, including Sun, are covered in plasma. Bose-Einstein condensate is a gas like state of matter that exists at extremely cold temperatures. It was predicted or identified around 1925 and confirmed in 1995. This is used in the field of cryogenics. Cryogenics means is the production of the behavior of material at very low temperature. Do you know what is matter made of? Matter is made of atoms. Atoms are the smallest particle of the matter. Atoms are so small that we cannot see with our eyes or even with a standard microscope. Microscope means it is an instrument which is used to magnify an object and see it. So using the microscope also we cannot see the atoms. Atoms are tiny particles which are one or two atoms joined together and they form molecules. The molecules, one or two molecules join together and they form matter. Science has come up with a technology to identify structure of atoms by using atomic resolution microscope ARM and tunneling electron microscope TEM, which uses electricity to map atoms. Silicon atoms on a surface via scanning tunneling microscopy STM. Physical Nature of matter. Matter occupies space and has mass. What is its nature? Many philosophers pondered over these questions, came out with ideas. It is known that Indian philosopher Canada and Greek philosopher Democritus had their ideas similar. The Indian philosopher Canada called it as Paramanu and Democritus called it as atomos. Atoms join together to form molecules and molecules join together to form matter. Characteristics of the particles of the matter. Particles of matter have a lot of space in between them. In different forms of matter, this spacing will be different. Take a tumbler of water. Now add a spoonful of sugar to the tumbler. Stir well. Sugar disappears completely. Where has it gone? Will the glass of water be now sweet? Yes. Water particles have space between them, and sugar particles are now occupying those space. Particles of matter attract each other. It is the force of attraction which keeps the particle together. This attractive force will be different for different forms of matter. Particles in a solid state. In solid, the particles are tightly packed with very little space between them. Example, stone. Particles in a liquid. Particles in a liquids are arranged in a random or irregular way, and the space between the particle is greater than that in the solids. Example, water. Particles in a gas. The particles in a gases are arranged far apart. They move freely. Example, air.